Hey, what's up? I've had several people ask me about the cable that I hang on my truss to power my lights. I built this myself. It's 26 feet long. It has 9 DMX and power drops. They're spaced about 30 inches apart. If I can focus this in. And the drops are about 30 inches long. There's a power cable that's about 30 feet long so that it can drop 10 feet from the truss to the floor and then go about 20 feet to a socket or something. So the power comes all the way to the middle to this double quad box. It's got 8 outlets on it. And then these IEC cords you can buy different lengths, and so I've bought custom lengths that go to all the different drops along the way. And then there's one in the middle that drops down straight from the bottom. It's not plugged into an outlet, it's wired into the inside of the box. And then there is a O clamp to hang it onto the truss. And then there are Velcro ties along its length so that it can be Velcroed to the truss. So this is the start of the DMX, and it would come in, actually it would come out of the first light and go over to the next light, and then out that light and over to the next light, and so on. So I have about 4 of these. They weren't too hard to make, and all the wires are bundled together with shrink wrap and maybe a little bit of black tape, black electronic tape. I didn't want to use zip ties because I wanted it to be smooth and not like scrape up your hands when you're wrapping it up. So I hope this answers any questions that you might have about it. There is one power out. Then with this, so that you can chain 2 of these together or power something in the middle like a mirror ball or something.